going off what we have talked about in the morning. So first, we're going to do two of the most important cases. On the one hand, both of the cases are related to LCA posting requirements. On the one hand, is a company who were fined with civic penalties for not posting LCA, and the other case, which is what we talked, which is a Camo technology where it's the same. They didn't actually post the LCA at the end client, but in the end, they were not charged with the civic penalties.
Okay, so the first case is in April 2016 in the matter of Administrator Wage and Hour Division versus MD2 Systems Incorporated. The administrative law judge ordered the respondent to comply with the administrator's determination, first to pay $115,513 in back wages to 7 H-1B employees, and second ordered to pay civic penalty of $29,750. This was due for failure to post a notice of the LCA filing for 10 days in 2 conspicuous locations in each place of employment where an H-1B non-immigrant will be employed.
So this case, what happened in this case? So this case, the judge on this case, he penalized for not posting the LCA, $115,000 of back wages and $29,000 of civil money penalty, right? So not all the courts, not all the judges are the same. So if we look at the Camo technology case, the Wage and Hour imposed the penalty of $293,000 something change, $192,000. And the ALJ vacated, and the ARB reinforced, and the judge again vacated at the the district court. So these are the dissimilarity in the execution of the H-1B LCA program. So this was also a posting on this Administrator Wage and Hour Division versus M22 Systems Inc. is a exact same case of failure to post the LCA notice. So this judge went all the way. He did civil penalty, he paid back wages. This was due for failure to post notice of LCA for 10 days in 2 conspicuous locations. So as I said before, you really need to do the due diligence of at least trying to do your best for compliance, because some judges are not going to even give a credit like what the Camo technology judge did. They're just going to go. And this is the Camo case. Camo case, we discussed too many points here. So what did the Camo did? Was Camo did like what you guys do right now? They just documented it. And when they put it in the public access file, sending to the vendor, sending to the employee, taking a smiley picture in the board, cubicle. So all those due diligence were done. And that got paid off in Camo, but it did not get paid off here. But here, but we don't want to just rely on this judge. We were fully penalized. There will be judges who will be like the Judge Bullard in the Camo case or the district court here in Newark. We'll have a court like that or judges like that down the road. So doing this due diligence and figuring out what can be done is very, very critical.